Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Narayan and I'm pursuing the LLB from UPES and I'm in my fourth year. And the topic for today's video is the transfer of suits by the Supreme Court under CPC and also the institution of suits. Before beginning this video, I would like to say that this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Now let's begin. So Section 25 of Code of Civil Procedure 1908 says that talks about the power of Supreme Court to transfer suits, etc. Now, when there is an application made by a party and after the notice is issued to the parties and after hearing such of them as desired to be heard, the Supreme Court may, at any other stage, if it is satisfied that an order under this section is expedient for the ends of justice, then the Supreme Court has the power to direct that any suit, appeal, or other proceeding can be transferred from a high court or other civil court in one state to a high court or other civil court in any other state. So basically, here the Supreme Court, when the application will be made by the party and after the notice will be issued by the parties, and when the Supreme Court will be, after hearing both the parties, then the Supreme Court, if at any of the stage of this proceeding, will feel like that the order under this section uh, uh, for attaining the ends of justice, if it feels like it can direct that suit to or to be appeal or that proceeding to be transferred from a high court or other civil court in one state to a high court or other civil court in another state. Now, every application under this section shall be made by motion, which shall be supported by an affidavit. So, for making an application under this section, there shall be a motion, and also that shall be supported by an affidavit. Now, the court to which suit, appeal, or other proceeding is transferred shall, subject to any special directions in the order of transfer, either retry it or proceed from the state at which it was transferred to. So, when the proceeding will be transferred to another court, then at that point, that court will retry that case or proceed that case from the stage at which it was transferred to it, and not after that or before that. Also, in dismissing any application under this section, the Supreme Court may, if it is of opinion that the application was frivolous or vexatious, order the applicant to pay by way of compensation to any person who has opposed the application such sum, where that amount shall not exceed 2,000 rupees, and as it considers appropriate in the circumstances of the case. Moving further, the law applicable to any suit, appeal, or other proceeding transferred under the section shall be the law which the court in which the suit, appeal, or other proceeding was originally instituted ought to have applied to such suit, appeal, or proceeding. Now let's move to section 26. Now the section 26 of Code of Civil Procedure says that talks about the institution of suits. All right. Now it says that every suit shall be instituted by the presentation of a plaint or in such other manner as may be prescribed. So when you are presenting the plaint, all right, so as per this section, that shall be in the manner which prescribed, which if it is prescribed, then in that manner, or neither in a way or in a presentation of a plain. All right. Now, section 26 and sections 35 to 35B, which are read with order 1, 2, 4, and 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7, provide the procedural principles and rules regarding institution of suits. One more thing, here the word suit has wider application. So there is a little difference between the suits under the CPC and the other civil suits. This is under the CPC, the suits are instituted by the presentation of the plaint, which has particular format, and in other suits, like the suit for divorce, the same is instituted by mere presentation of the petition by or on behalf of either spouse. It should be mentioned that suit is different from the writs. Suit is instituted to enforce the legal rights. All right, but the writs are concerned with the enforcement of the fundamental rights which are guaranteed by Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Also, here the one more important thing here is that the only the High Court and the Supreme Court have the writ jurisdiction governed by the Indian Constitution. Thank you very much.